The laptops will usher an era of interactive, student-centered teaching that will free teachers to mentor pupils and perform their core educational role.
Yeah, digital! Yeah!
The digital literacy program has really been, bringing to life what we already are now. As a country, we are digital, we are knowledge-based.
This program is in line with the big government agenda and also the global agenda.
You cannot survive without the internet. And so our aim is to see that growth happens.
We were involved in training of teachers to ensure that they understand how to use the devices.
These gadgets will really make the dreams of my girls, my learners, come true. Some of them are aspiring to become, doctors, others aspiring to become teachers.
Teaching with these gadgets, I find it more interesting. It is interactive and more effective.
I started using the gadget in grade 1.
The digital learning is taking shape in the areas where we have supplied tablets.
This is the game changer whose time has come.
The digital literacy program has really been, bringing to life what we already are now. As a country, we are digital, we are knowledge-based.
This is the way out for all the countries. Kenya is at the beginning of it, but we want to move very fast so that we join up with other countries.
I've talked about us having assembly plants, manufacturing plants that are already in place so that we can actually become self-sufficient.
We have produced for digital literacy program alone over 200,000 devices. Those are the ones which were fully assembled in this plant. In total, the number of devices we've handled is close to over 700,000.
Initially, there was questions as to whether we need to do this. Then it changed to saying, okay, let's do it. Now teachers started also demanding that they must be trained. I think when we started, we had trained about 90,000. Now we're at over 228,000.
I enrolled for the training program at the Moi University of Eldoret in the year April 2016.
It is something I was waiting. You know what? I had bought a computer. I had enrolled in computer lessons. I wanted to be digital. So when the program came in, I was one of those head teachers who really embraced it.
In our school, all the teachers are trained about using the digital gadgets because in all the classes, ICT is taught and it is in the timetable.
ConceptsHub has been working closely with the ICT department, first and foremost to ensure training of the head teachers and the teachers.
We were involved in training of teachers to ensure that they understand how to use the devices, how to take care of these devices, and also the softwares which are part of these devices.
If every teacher in the primary school would have some knowledge on how to use these devices, it would be a good way forward.
The government also has managed through Ministry of Energy to connect over 22,000 public primary schools with electricity. From the ICT point of view, we have also managed to distribute and install devices in over 22,000 schools, which is around 1.2 million digital devices in schools.
With our collaboration with the ICT, we have ensured that at least 95 to 98% of the schools have received the devices.
ICT, ICT. what we embrace.
Teaching with these gadgets, I find it more interesting. It is interactive and more effective.
Performance of learners now is higher. They are able to achieve higher than before.
The experience has been wonderful. Let me say it has been so nice. Let me say I don't know what words to use, because in the normal learning, you are the only voice, you are the only person. Come the introduction of these learning devices, the learners embrace it. The learners are ready to use these gadgets. The learners will not miss a class, especially when they hear that I'm coming with those digital gadgets in my class.
I started using the tablets since grade 1 up to now. The subjects that I learn using the tablet are maths, English, and theory. The subjects that I learn using the tablet are theory, maths, creative arts, and environmental.
I started using the gadget when I was in nursery.
How to use a digital library?
I used the gadget to learn hard words. Example of hard words, digital and technology.
The experience has been good, enjoyable to both the teachers and the learners. The learners have been able to enjoy learning because it has helped to break the monotony of the teacher talking too much, the monotony of doing one thing in a lesson. So the gadgets, the gadgets have really helped the learners to enjoy learning.
Learners have really found fun using these digital learning devices. It has been very, very interesting and it has motivated the learners. 2, learners can be able to retain what they have learned with the experience of the computers, unlike without the use of these computers.
These devices has content, and additionally, we also have content in Kenya Education Cloud, and which was developed by the Kenya KICD.
KISE has participated in making sure that learners with special needs in education are not left behind in terms of content. This is by collaboration with the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development to make sure that the content that is being developed, especially for grades 1 all through to grade 3, is accommodating learners with different impairment.
The laptops that we have here, you realize that if you feel the keys, there are some braille dots embossed on them. The learners who are totally blind will be able to know which keys they are touching and be able to type just like any other normal person.
Kitambo tulikuwa tunatumia optic readers na sahi computers zimefika na uzuri wake iko nao braille kwa ndani.
Kitambo kabla kompyuta haijafika tulikuwa tunatumia braille. Sasa vile imefika iko na braille na iko na screen.
This program has exposed children to digital skills. All of them, from poor and rich families, all have an opportunity to get skills in digital literacy. Then for Bomet County, where we have a lot of challenges of early marriages and dropping out, this program has kept many children in school.
I use the gadget to play mathematics, English, environmental, hygiene, Kiswahili. I started using the gadget in grade 1. The most thing that I love in gadget is mathematics.
My favorite subject is mathematics, and I learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When I grow up, I would like to be an engineer.
Using the gadgets, it is very easy because it saves time. You don't have to go around looking for the teaching materials. In our school, we have internet. You only need to Google and get the teaching aid that you need. Some of them have difficulties in handwriting, but when they are writing using the gadgets, it's very easy. Their work is visible. You don't even struggle to mark it. The children are able to get the information for themselves.
Before the digital learning was introduced, the learning was somehow teacher-centered. But after the digital program was introduced, learning has become real.
I learned how to type a story, draw. I usually draw some trees, a forest, and a closet. When I grow up, because of these gadgets, I want to be a designer, and I want to design many, many beautiful dresses.
This is a rake. We use a rake to collect grass and leaves.
You don't need to take pupils in the shamba to see how farming is taking place. You just need to project or use the devices to see what is happening if it is about farm. Currently, our grade 3 learners are able to open the device. They can even connect it to the internet. We have taught them, because we have Wi-Fi in the school, they can draw pictures, 3 dimensions. Our learners can also read from the devices. They can also do assignments and send it to the teacher online.
Garissa is one of the counties where early marriages takes place. Our girls have now developed positive attitude toward the learning because of the gadgets.
Before these devices were there, it was very difficult for the learners to understand what we were teaching.
I learned about English activities, math, Swahili, environmental, hygiene, and nutrition.
My school is digital.
Here in Moi University, we have a fully fledged first-line support system where we have the contact center. In case teachers have issues with the devices, they will normally call our toll-free number where we have technical staff who have been trained in support. So they will assist these teachers and be able to solve some of the problems online.
Digitizing Kenya, making it a knowledge-based economy, is not a one-off. It's something that we must continue.
In phase 2 of this program, we intend to target learners for grade 4 to 6 and also connect school with internet. Connectivity of schools to internet will enhance utilization of devices and technologies in schools by teachers, which has been a challenge in phase 1. We plan to distribute the laptops for teachers and the laptop for learners, which is also close to 1.2 million devices. And also we intend to spur industrialization in this second phase of the program by encouraging or promoting, encouraging the manufacturers to start manufacturing the components for this particular program.
We have designed devices for various sectors, both the enterprise and the students. And we are geared towards producing devices for the Kenyan market.
The next phase, where we want to make tablets available to many more schools, not only schools but the centers around those schools. Our total commitment is to digitize the country.
We believe that if we equip our young learners at a very early stage with the required competency in technology, they will be able to participate effectively with the rest of the world when it comes to job opportunities in future.
If we want to produce the best with people getting the right level of skills, experiences in learning and knowledge, we also need to use the facilities that others are using elsewhere.
We are opening up the country to digital communication.
Let's take full advantage of it so that we can digitize the country, get our jobs for our young people, and ensure that Kenya is at the top and continues to lead in the region.
We have created a portal as ICT Authority to track the installation and also the inventory of the devices in every public primary school. So for any citizen to check whether the school is already installed, you just need to go to our portal, the digischool.go.ke, type the name of the school, and you will be able to access the date when the devices were delivered in the school and installed, and also the number of devices and their serial numbers.
Thank you, Your Excellency. My school is digital.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We are now digital. Thank you, Your Excellency. We are now digital. Asante Rais kwa sababu shule yangu ni digital.
We are digital! We are digital!
My school is digital.
My school is digital! Thank you, Mr. President, because